Hey YouTube, I'm here today. I have an airbag light on. I didn't find any videos of it saying what I'm dealing with. It says inflator, right side inflator open. So that's when I scanned it with my scan tool. So I ended up taking it to the dealer. The dealer wouldn't do it for free, which they probably should have. So once I got the report back from the dealer, they told me exactly which airbag it was, and it was the seat airbag. So I ordered a used one. Let me show you what my scan tool is saying. Probably that way is better. I don't know if I'm catching this right. That's the code it's given. Order the airbag, unplug the seat, plugged up the airbag to it, and it cleared the code. So now, right now, I have no airbag on. So now, at this point, I'm coming back here, and I took off the back of the seat, and I'm gonna try to repair this without even taking the seat apart. Hold on, I need to find something to hold this phone. Okay, got all that off. See if I can unhook these. Okay, what is this? This is to the airbag, I take it. Oh, that's to the seat. I don't know what that is too. Alright, so now at this point I see one screw, two screws. Where's the third one at? Let's see. Is it up here? One, two. There one down there somewhere. Don't see the third one. The heck is it? It's the inflator. No, it has 3 bolts. Let me go make sure. Just 2? Oh, it is just 2. Okay, that's even better. Okay, so let's find out what bolt that is. So it goes down here, fits up here. I don't know what this is for. Another way of connecting to it. All right, let's try to loosen those bolts. See what we get. Smaller than a 10. Let's see what we have here. There's the easier one to get to. Does that fit it? No. Need something I can reach with. Can't see much in here. Let's see if I can set this up somehow. You guys can see. Ain't gonna be no real good vision on this because under here and see how is it locked on. Look like it's some clips. I don't know if you can see under there, but it's some clips holding it. So I'm gonna unclip those. I'm gonna pull the wire out, and then I gotta figure out how to clip this on, but gotta figure out how to get it unclipped. I don't know where YouTube. Oh, there you go. Just push it up. So you just push it up right here with this tab. Push the black part up, and it'll slide out. Bam, it's out. Okay. So now. Alright, so I open up the back, pulling this straight through, like that. Never took the seat out. The airbag deployed, but it didn't actually bust the seat open. If it did, somebody tried to cover it up, more than likely. That's the type of stuff you gotta worry about. Let's see if somebody re-stitch. Nope. Don't look like it. Could have been done. Alright, let's put the new one in. Alright. Stick the new one in there. Wait first. Run the wire through. I'm just gonna zip tie the wire to the seat. Then make sure that it, of course, moves back and forth. Okay, so I stuck the airbag in through that way. Put the bolts on. Get the bolts. Hold it down. So people that be taking these whole thing apart, I get it. Some situations is different. I just want to show you the way I'm doing it. Just go through the back. And just stick the smug in there. Okay. So 10 mil to tighten it. Go play. Okay. That's one. Push this one up. All right, got both of those in. Now just gotta run the wire, zip tie it, clip it in, and it's all done. Then I'll show you at the end how everything came together. Isaac. Time out, Isaac. Go sit down on the bench. Isaac, go sit on the bench. Go sit on the bench. Yes, on the bench. You know what the bench is? Because you said big butt, and you know better than saying that. You didn't say butt? I didn't hear you just say butt. Are you lying? That's going to be even longer. Go sit down for 5 minutes. All right. So, this is what the airbag looked like when it was inside. It's got those 2 clips. But it ain't even bust the seat open. Garbage. Like I said, the dealership said that they wouldn't cover the airbag for some reason. I think they should. If I look deeper into it, I probably could have got them to cover it. But this is the code I'm getting. It says open in the right side airbag inflator. So the right side, if you ever get that code, it was code 3210. It was the seat. So on this car so far, I replaced the airbag, the curtain side airbag, and the seat. And gotta keep running this. After I run this wire, plug everything up, we should be done. Gotta find out where this wire goes through. Did it go through there? No. Where the heck did it go through? Alright, but anyways, I'm gonna run this wire and then I'll get right back with you. Gotta find out where in the seat it goes through. Don't worry about it. Alright, let's get this one back on. Let's see like it goes up like this. Take it straight up. Alright. Okay, so just did the airbag replacement. Let's put everything back on. Tighten it up. Make sure the work is done right. The keys. All right, let's get the scan tool right here. Hold on. Let's go back. Let's read code. See if it says anything. Oh, why is it taking so long? Might have to redo it. Got the ignition on. Let's take it too long. Let's go back. System. This is a top down. If you guys are wondering which one scan tool this is, it's almost dead. So see what's that. Yeah, I don't know why it's taking so long. Let's take away. Yeah, something's gotta be wrong. Alright, let's do something else. Let's go back. Let's take this thing out real quick. Oh, we don't have the scanner in here.